amigos, hoje eu estou aqui no condomínio da Tenda, Bosque, Salvador Norte, para mostrar para você como andam as atualizações das obras. Se liga aí!
I'm changing who I am, I'm making a new plan, rearranging my life and I won't look back ever again.
Yeah, you ain't see me activated, you better hope that you never see me agitated. I think about my actions, plan them out, evaluated. That's how I end up on the top, man, I'm calculated. My mind's a weapon, my body is the engine. I'm never second guessing, I just do what I was destined. Cause I feel I got the blessing, persistence and obsession. That's how you keep progressing, I already learned that lesson, yeah.
I'm changing who I am, I'm making a new plan, rearranging my life and I won't look back.
E você, moraria próximo ao Salvador Norte Shopping? Comenta aqui embaixo que a sua opinião é muito importante. Até a próxima!